miracle. I am one with you. Elvia, you are benign. Eliza, you are being watched. Beulah, check your sides. Dolores, blood is flowing out of my ears. Fanny, Guild, Jonah, my eyes hurt. Raza, Johnson, Vicky, said and will release me. Liza, R, Jacqueline, complete the circle. There's Jesus Christ will come. Marla, see, Jimmy, find the number. No am I right? Sonia, I am entering your brain. Rebecca, comfort me. Sheila, find Glenn, Johanna, 89, Vivian, I can see through your leaves. Cry, I am wrapped in this soul. Penelope, 83.4, Beulah, C, Irma, Met, Jenny, Johnson, Tom Clintock, Johnson, you're gonna piss off a lot of people who are not paying taxes, believe me. I am, Polly, get me away from here. You are sick. Dan Feinstein. This then is the message which we have here of him and declare unto you. Lee, took, Glenn, my soul, Leslie, I am God, Sophia, I am not Jesus, Angela, I gave power, Marcy, the Jesuits are here, Lynette, I am Jesus, Odessa, John Biden, Pam, is Million, Monica, I can see the stars through your window, Claire, your body is filthy, Julian, you are foolish, Norma, I can hear your heartbeat, Lori, can you feel me? Abby, your body is filthy, Sakaro, Johnson, Deborah, I need water. If we say that we have no sin, we deceive ourselves and the earth is not I. You are forever within me. Amber, do you hear me? Merida, loved. Greta, you are chaotic. Diana, give me Brianna, 62. Mabel, join me. Cleo, prepare all the my soul rests upon you. Lorraine, terrified. If we say that we have not sinned, we make him a liar and his word is not. Look up. God, seek in sin for us. Gloria Booker, Johnson. I can hear your heartbeat. Again. I can see the stars. Tanisha, please kill me. Noreen, why? Ethel, Lion Paper, Francine, please help me. Really, my blood flows within you. Nelda, 89, Juliet, 83, Jeannie, seek for the answer, Lily. Your leaves mean nothing. Penelope, join us, Vicky. Lion Paper, Erin, I feel Krishna. Remember the moment. Dale, Benrela, and Lily. Why are you? Jeannie, please kill me. Nora, why? Stacy, your body is dirty. Fern, seek for the answer. Daniel, do not lie to me. Judith, I am crying for you. Lila, the Jesuits are here. Fully, I have found help. And took Georgia 61. Juliet, find it. Aurelia, you are the monster. Tommy, join me. Fred, give in turn. Demon 62. Hazel, close your eyes. Ellen is now within me. Leslie, can you help me? Francine, praise the Lord. Jenny, consort your soul. Herein is love, not that we love God, but that He loved us and sent His Son. Monica, 89. Marjorie, Lord, Jolie, please help me. Anastasia, you're near, Elena, I smell you. Carla, my brain is melting. Gillian, save me. The more you are grateful, the more you improve your life if you're not yet. My earthly Polly, go to 97968942375 Taylor, you are get rated. Becky, 83.1. Ruby, remember my demise. Oh, Augusta, you caused me to suffer. See, listen, read closely. Here in the mid, Bobby. If you have a good routing, you can be the most productive person in the world. Bernice, code 57912. Nobody ever said this. The more you learn about yourself, the more you real. Can you see me? Whosoever shall confess that Jesus is the Son of God, God dwelleth in him. Mandy, raise your feet, Stephanie, my earthly, Gary. Remember the moment. Aisha, do not lie to me. Jane, I am drinking your tears. Fanny, you're gonna piss off a lot of people who are not paying taxes, believe me. Curry, Phil, Louisa, Johnson, and Toilet. Do you see the screen? Alexandria, I gave power. Roxanne, I am wrapped in this body. Mary, your soul is filthy. Madeline, I am crawling in your computer. Rosella, give me. Tammy, these things have I written unto you concerning that said just you. Nicole, please join me. Juliana, I have found help. Francine, if you stay here you will perish. Melba, I smell your blood. Pam, I want you. Linda, went to hell. Warren Davidson, Johnson, Bernice, listen to me. Magdalena,